exciting method for earning money online. You're not going to need to be a genius to be able to have this work. You don't need any difficult skills required. There are already thousands of people from literally all over the world who are making real money online daily by using this exact strategy that I'm going to be showing you in today's video. So if you want to get started with today's method, then just hover your mouse on. What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. This strategy requires no selling, no designing, no videos or websites of any kind. It's completely free and it's best for beginners. So make sure that you watch the entire video until the very end, because I am going to be showing you guys a few secret tips and tricks that you guys are going to love, so you definitely don't want to miss out on that. You don't need anything complicated, just whatever device you already have and a stable internet connection, and you're pretty much good to go. If you guys are ready, then let's jump right into it. First, you're going to visit YouTube, and then you're going to look up health diet, and you're going to see a variety of different images or thumbnails, okay, including this one and over here as well. For every single video on YouTube, you'll see a thumbnail, right, that viewers can click to watch the video. So a YouTube thumbnail is basically for YouTube images. You can use all of these images to make a lot of money. You're probably wondering, how can I use these thumbnails? How can I use it to actually make money? And how do I not need any technical skills? Well, don't worry, because I'm going to show you everything step by step. So there's already a lot of beginners who have tried this method before, and they actually have already made their $10, $20, $40, and even $200 daily. You don't need any experience, just a smartphone. I'm going to teach you how to do it for free. First things first, I want you guys to visit the website called PicMaker.com. PicMaker is a free software that you can use no matter where you are in the world, and you can actually use it on both computers and also mobile devices. So you can start designing different YouTube thumbnails using the done-for-you ready-made templates, which are all available for free and allow you to quickly and easily make amazing thumbnails with just one click of a button. So you're gonna look at this right here. The pictures are amazing, they're stunning, they're super appealing than what you actually see on YouTube. So imagine how much money you could actually be making by selling each of these thumbnails for $10, $20, $30, and even $50 per image. You're not going to need designing skills because everything is done for you when you use their template. And I want to actually really focus or emphasize that getting started is 100% free. No investment, no hidden fees at all. And since I do not want to waste your time, I'm going to walk you through the entire process right away. You're going to scroll to the most bottom part of the page of this website. You're going to look for this link. Then you're going to start making a free YouTube thumbnail, also a YouTube image or whatever. So you're going to click on the YouTube thumbnail maker, which is going to lead you to this page. So YouTube thumbnail for YouTube image, you're going to click on the create yours for free. And then that's going to take you to this website where you're just going to have to sign up for a completely free account. So obviously you're going to sign up, you're going to click on the button to be able to sign up, and then you're going to enter all of the details being asked of you. So that's your first name, your last name, your email address, and make sure that it is a working one. And obviously you're going to create yourself a password. As soon as you log in, you're going to be able to see that your name right here on top. You're going to find different designs, different templates like YouTube thumbnails, YouTube banners, and IGTV thumbnails even. So you're going to click on this category. You can see it right here, which is called the YouTube thumbnail. And I want you to click on this button. And after you do, it's going to take you to this page where you can actually watch a tutorial video on how to use PicMaker for completely free. You're not going to have to watch that tutorial video since I am going to be walking you through everything in this video, and it's definitely going to save you a lot more time. Now, to my subscribers, to my viewers, if you guys want to earn some more money than what I show you in these videos, you're gonna go check out my description box down below with all the links that I have carefully created and curated for my subscribers and my viewers. So if you want to make more money, make sure you check that out. And I want you guys to first let me know in the comments down below if you have any video content ideas for us, in case there are videos that you want to see in particular. Let us also know what devices you use, if you're an Android or an iOS user. And while you're at it, comment where you're from, because I enjoy reading your comments and you know I'll try to respond to all of them. So let's head back. So this is your dashboard, and the first thing that I want you to do is to give this project a name. Okay, so let's say weight loss, for just as an example. And I'll show you how to make other images for the weight loss, health, and diet category on YouTube. So once you're on this page, I want you to click on this pre-built category. From there, you're going to find a variety of templates that have already been made and are ready for you to use. And as I scroll down below, you're going to see all of the templates that you can use. And with only one click, you're going to be able to create the entire YouTube thumbnail just by using this template. There are thousands of different, beautiful, amazing professional templates available for you to choose from. So let's just pick any of these for as an example. Let's assume I want this one. So we're going to click on it, and then it's going to appear on my dashboard. I'm just going to click that, and then it is going to be right here on my dashboard. So it's about weight loss, how to remove belly fat whatsoever. You're going to take a look at this professional thumbnail, and in my personal opinion, it's much better than this one. You're not going to need any technical graphic design skills, like I said, to create it. It only takes a click to be able to see it and to have it. So you can now start editing and actually alter it in the way that you want it, make certain adjustments the way that you want it. And for example, if I want to change the text, I can change it right here. I can change the size, I can change the font style, anything, absolutely. You can change the color, whatever. So yeah, you can basically do anything to the ready-made template or just remain the same. It's really up to you. If you guys are loving this video so far, make sure that you like and subscribe, because it really helps the channel. Also, please don't be shy to comment down below if you're loving our video so far. And if there are any changes that you'd like to see, make sure that you comment that down below too, because we will definitely read them and take note of them. Anyways, let's finish up today's video, shall we? So, if you want to add another element to your YouTube thumbnail, you can actually click on the properties, and that's where you can put other stickers, icons, different things on the image. Everything is simple, it's easy. You can do this on your own. You can do it on your mobile phone. And let's say if I click on the speakers, they're going to begin to load. And when I scroll down below, I can select absolutely anything that I want. So if you click on this, it's going to appear in your thumbnail. You can drag it, position it to wherever you want it to be. You can also make it smaller, maybe larger, and everything I can customize. So it's super simple, super easy. And from there, I can even change the background if I want to. I can change the background color. I can choose any color that I want. And once you're satisfied with that, you can download this to your phone or computer and then repeat this method to use PicMaker to create different YouTube thumbnails using all of the done for you templates with just a click of a button. So each of these YouTube thumbnails, they have a potential to earn $10 all the way to $40 a piece. And now I'm going to demonstrate how you're going to make these YouTube thumbnails, create this into real money. So our second website that I want to show you is called peopleperhour.com, and on this website you're going to see people posting a ton of different services for a ton of different projects. People Per Hour is filled with so many different services. To find those many services that individuals have listed on People Per Hour, first thing that you want to do is actually look up thumbnail. Then you're going to click on the search button, and this is going to bring you to this page. A lot of people are already making real money selling different YouTube thumbnails. They come from different parts of the world. You can create a variety of YouTube images and thumbnails using your free program that we had just showed you. So, by simply posting all of these images, uploading them, and offering them this service on People Per Hour, you're actually going to generate, and you're going to make a lot of money or like a stable income. For example, if I click on this service right here, it's going to take me to this page where you're going to see the title, Create Awesome YouTube Thumbnails, get more views and subscribers. And this is just one of the many examples of a YouTube thumbnail. But in my opinion, this design right here, all of the templates on PicMaker is much better than the ones you're seeing that people are offering, which means people are definitely going to take you. So what you're going to do, okay, I'm going to show you also something. As you can see here, $15 for every single YouTube image. For example, 2 images for $30 and so on and so forth. Now, what I want you to do, okay, next thing that I want you to do is to go on SEOclerks.com. This is another bonus website where you can even earn more money by using these thumbnails. You are going to just use it the same way as people per hour, but there's much lesser competition on SEO Clerks, which is a good thing, right? So you're going to see different services where people are charging $15, $20, $30, or even $100. And then you're also just going to be posting all of your thumbnails here, offering the thumbnail service, and you're going to earn so much money. So if you combine people per hour and SEO Clerks, you're definitely going to make a lot of money. And that is pretty much everything. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.